You guys want to see my new outdoor meditation station? Brooklyn, you gotta sit down and meditate, he said. Do it. Close your eyes. Good job, Owen. You giving her a sound bath? He's giving you a sound bath. Oh, careful. Don't hit people with that. It's on my little terrace. This is right off my master bedroom. And I'm just gonna give you a little tour and show you all the details. This is where I plan to start doing my meditations now. The weather has just turned warm here in St. George, and it's such a perfect space to enjoy a little meditation first thing in the morning or at night and look up at the beautiful stars, and I can light some incense or burn some sage, turn on my patio lights, light some candles. This is just the perfect space for me. I totally set it up with all my crystals. I've got some patio lights, my singing bowls, elephant paraphernalia. This is also a place where I can really enjoy creating my painted Wannabe balanced elephant rocks. You know I love elephants. It's the symbol of my book, the elephant. This is the crystal elephant that I talk about in my book, and this is my book. So elephants are the symbol of my book, and that's the reason why I post a lot of things about elephants, and I have a lot of things with elephants, so I just really love them. They are amazing creatures. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post a video every week and I really enjoy doing it. So thanks you guys for watching. Are you guys meditating? Oh, and meditate. Do your meditation. Sit down. Do like you do. Okay, Brooklyn, do it for him. It works, huh? Now take a deep breath in and out.
My hand. Wait. Now I'm gonna try with my right hand. Yeah, I'll try it.